Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Glow brand or Ultra Strength Greaseless Muscle Rub Cream, 3 ounces. This is a 3-pack that you get on Amazon. It's a really good price. You can compare this to the active ingredient in Bengay, which is 10% menthol and 15% methyl silicate. I've been using this for a while now instead of Bengay, and it works just as well for me. So you might want to give it a try. It's a great value. And I get lower back pain, and I just put it on my back at night and also when I first get up in the morning. Always wash your hands from it, because if you accidentally touch your eye, it's going to burn, because this has, essentially it's pepper spray or hot pepper in there as one of the ingredients, and that penetrates the muscles and relieves soreness. So this is the 3-pack it comes in. Let's open this up, show you what it looks like. So there it is right there. And let's open the cap up right here. So it has a little safety tab on here. We're going to pull that tab off. And there it is right there. Here's what it looks like. Just like Bengay, it's a white color. And you really smell the menthol on there. It's almost like a wintergreen smell if you ever had Bengay. It's a pleasant smell, it's strong. Hey, you know what else I noticed when you use a product like this? It keeps mosquitoes and flies away from you. So it has an extra benefit there. So what do I think about this 3-pack of this Glow Muscle Rub Cream? This is a great value. For me, it works just as well as Bengay. Saved me some money. And I really like this product, so I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.